So guys, in today's segment, I'm going to be sharing with you all about serums and just how to use them and basically what they're good for, what the benefits of them are. So I really hope you guys find it useful, and if you've missed out on my cleansing and toning, I will link it in the description box below, or I'll put them somewhere here for you guys to reference to. Do watch those before you come to this one. It's sort of step by step. So the third thing that you will do is to use a serum if you do wish to use a serum. Some people don't like to use them, but I like to use them on a daily basis because I just find that certain parts of my skin where I'm struggling, they just help a sister out. So yeah, if you guys want to know all about serums and all that good stuff, then make sure you carry on watching the video. So guys, serums are basically way lighter than moisturizers. The reason why I use a serum, or I've always been taught to in terms of using serums, is because serums basically target different things and different skin concerns. So for example, if you want your skin to be more hydrating, you might want to use hyaluronic acid because that's going to be hydrating for your skin. If you have discoloration, you might want to use a serum that contains alpha arbutin or beta arbutin. It just helps with brightening up, you know, that discoloration. So there is different serums for different issues. There's anti-aging ones that you can use. So yeah, I like to incorporate a serum for that reason. It's just a lighter product that is going to specifically work for a certain issue. So that's what serums are all about. This is the serum that I use at the moment. I use this in the daytime, and it is called the Daily Brightening Serum from Good Molecules, and it's formulated with beta arbutin and hyaluronic acid to gently brighten the skin tone. I like to always just have a brighter skin tone and just glowing skin tone and skin texture. That's what I look for in terms of the serum. In the nighttime, I use more of an anti-aging, just to, you know, to keep that age to curb it, if you'd like to call it that. That's why I use in the nighttime. So yeah, that's what I use in the daytime, and all you just need to do in terms of the serum is you use it after you tone. You don't use the serum before the moisturizer because, like I mentioned, because it's targeting a specific issue or area in the face. If you put moisturizer, the moisturizer is going to be a barrier, so it's not going to work. So that's why you need to apply it first before you go on to the moisturizer. So all you just want to do for your serum is just to apply. I like to put about 5 drops really of this, 4, 5, or sometimes 6 if I'm feeling like I really need it. So I apply 6 into the palm of my hand, just like that. And then what I do is I like to just warm it up into the palm of my hands, you know, just like that. You don't have to do it this way, but that's what I like to do. And then what I just do is I just take the serum and I just tap it into the areas of my face where I want to put it. Sometimes I do massage it, but I've noticed that a lot of people recommend to just like putting it this way and then leaving it in your skin to just absorb. But sometimes I like to massage it because I just like the feel of it. So do feel free to do either or. I don't think that there's a particular right way of doing it, but yeah, this is what I like to do. And then what you're just meant to do is to allow it to absorb into the skin. But I think I might actually apply a little bit more because I just want a little bit more on my cheek area, because that's where I like my skin to be brighter, and my forehead as well. So just like that, and then that is basically how you apply that serum. You just leave it to absorb into the skin. It says leave it to absorb into the skin for 30 seconds. You want to make sure you do leave a bit of time with each product that you put in your face, because if you just try and rush the process, it's not going to really penetrate through the pores. So do allow it 30 seconds just for it to absorb, and then you can move on to your moisturizer. So yeah, I hope you guys found this useful. I will link this brightening serum in the description box below. It's from a company called Good Molecules from LA in America. So it takes about, I think it took about 2 or 3 weeks when I ordered from them, and so far I've been really enjoying using their products. So yeah, I'll link it in the description box below and you guys can check it out. I really hope you enjoyed this segment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.